Cannon! Woo! Today is Sunday, November the 29th. And Cannon is 10 weeks and 2 days old. And he's in his ocean gym. Just hanging out in his ocean gym. Go, Cannon. Show everybody what you can do. Get the orange one. Get the orange worm. Ooh, get him. Get him. The yellow. Get the yellow. Get the green octopus named Vicky. Get the octopus named Vicky. That's the whale. That's your granddad, Tim. Get the green octopus. Get the green octopus over there to the right. Whoa. Who is that, Greg or Kevin? You're slamming him pretty good. Get your grandma over there to the right. Your granddad is up there with the orange worms hanging. Get him. Get him. Did you get him? You got him? You getting him? Get him, Cannon. Cannon is a strong swimmer underwater. Say good morning. Get him, Cannon. Get him. Get him. Get him. You want Mama to shake him for you? Get him. Get him. Don't let those worms outswim you. Don't let that whale outswim you. You show that whale who's the boss. You show that whale who's the strongest. Get him. Get the yellow one. Get the yellow and the blue and the orange. Full of worms. Okay, we're going to say bye. I don't want the videos to be too long. Get him. Get him. Get him, big boy. Get him, Mama's big boy. Come on, you got 22 seconds. You gonna get him? You want me to shake it for you one time? Get him, Cannon. Get him. Get him. What music? Okay. Woo. Woo. Get him, Cannon. Get him. Get him. Get him, Cannon. Get him. Get him. Don't let him run past you. Tell them those things can't outswim you and they can't outrun you. You let them know. No octopus, no whale, no worms, no seaweed. Get them, Cannon. They just try to outrun you. You gonna let them go down like that? Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye, Cannon. Say bye. 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 Say bye. Say bye, little boy. Say bye. You gonna say bye? No. I'm gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.